出行的方式
The way we travel must change.
现有的运输
The
方
way
式
goods are delivered must change.
我们的城市
The way
形态
cities
同样
work
改
must change.
汽车的生产制
The
造
way
也
vehicles are
变得更加
manufactured
智能
must change. We are Pix Moving, and we are making the change
在
happen
当下
right
在
now,
明天
for
在
tomorrow,
未来
and the future. We design and build robust 3- and 4-wheeled chassis to which customizable modular spaces that host the service are attached, spaces that integrate living, working, and entertaining. People want to move and receive things on demand. Think unattended vending cars, a self-driving hotel, taxis, karaoke bars. All applied to a range of spaces, industrial estates, public parks, car parks, and airports. How do we achieve these modular, configurable moving spaces?
我们的 Pixbot 是全
Pixbot is the world's first open-source autonomous vehicle. It is built on an autonomous modular platform that can be configured for different purposes. Partners and users can develop the base platform, reducing the lead time to launch your own smart vehicle. It uses algorithm-driven vehicle design,
车辆设计
which is
具有
flexible
灵
and
活性和
scalable.
可扩展性。
It is built using an AI technology and digital manufacturing, which makes mass production of customizable vehicles cost-effective. The modular structure of the Pix chassis and multi-purpose pod leads to a diverse range of autonomous driving applications fleets. Users may want 5 self-driving coffee cars, 10 autonomous logistics cargos, or 12 mobile office rooms. We can do that and more.
还可以有更多。为了加快迭代
The
速
Pix
度，
factory is
工厂采用了
decentralized and modular
化和模
for
块化的
fast
方式
reconfiguration. It uses metal 3D printing, robotic welding, artificial intelligence, large-scale vacuum thermoforming, laser cutting, CNC milling, and more. Products are designed with generative design in Autodesk Fusion 360. Generative design harnesses artificial intelligence to quickly calculate the most optimized component design for the physical and cost parameters we provide to the program.
随着 3CM
With the adoption of the 3CM, that is, cognitive, configurable, collaborative manufacturing, we have established a flexible digital production line with an annual capacity of 2,000 vehicles, ensuring the consistency and stability of product delivery. These technologies, especially the use of AI, generative design, and the 3CM, enable shorter lead times to market, reduced material waste, and the flexibility to give our customers a comparative
为
advantage.
提供了灵活性。自 Pix Moving， 我们这一次
Here
的
at
价
Pix
值
Moving,
是为
we're rebuilding the city with autonomous mobility.